Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Good morning, dear student. Today is your maths class, so take out your countdown book. In previous lecture, we have studied about the ordinal number which is tell us the exact position of the object. Okay. We have completed our work, page number 51. Now come to page number 52, class timetables. Look at the timetable, day, period. Day ये है Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday and Friday. Period first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth. On Monday first period is maths. On Tuesday first period is English. On Wednesday first period is Urdu and Thursday first period is social studies. On Friday first period is English. On Monday second period is science. On Tuesday second period is Urdu, Wednesday maths, Thursday English and Friday Urdu. Third period on Monday English, Tuesday maths, Wednesday social study, Thursday Urdu, Friday science. Fourth period on Monday Urdu, Tuesday science, Wednesday computers, Thursday maths and Friday English. Fifth period on Monday art, Tuesday social studies, Wednesday English, Thursday P.E, Friday maths. Sixth period on Monday computers, Tuesday Islamiyat, Wednesday science, Thursday Islamiyat and Friday art. टाइम टेबल हमने देख लिया, ठीक है. लुक एट द टाइम टेबल देन आंसर दीज. ठीक है, अब क्वेश्चंस गिवन है हमारे पास जिसका हमने आंसर देना है. व्हाट इज द फर्स्ट पीरियड ऑन अ वेडनेसडे. वेडनेसडे को फर्स्ट पीरियड कौन सा होता है. लुक एट द टाइम टेबल अगेन. दिस इज वेडनेसडे एंड द फर्स्ट पीरियड इज उर्दू. सो राइट उर्दू इन द बॉक्स. URDU Urdu. In which period do the children have maths on Friday? Which period मतलब कौन से पीरियड में जो है फ्राइडे को उनकी मैथ्स की क्लास होती है. लुक एट द फ्राइडे. इंग्लिश, उर्दू, साइंस, इंग्लिश एंड मैथ्स. विच पीरियड इज फिफ्थ. ऑन फिफ्थ पीरियड. सो राइट फिफ्थ. आप इस फॉर्म में भी लिख सकते हैं और इस तरह भी लिख सकते हैं. FIFTH fifth. Question number C. What is the second period on Thursday? Thursday second period is English. ENGLISH English. What subject is taught in the fourth period on Tuesday? Tuesday में फोर्थ पीरियड कौन सा है. ठीक है, Tuesday फोर्थ पीरियड इज साइंस. SCIENCE science. In which period do the children have social study on Wednesday? In which period? The third period is social study on Wednesday. थर्ड. और इस फॉर्म में भी आप लिख सकते हैं THIRD third. Complete your book page number 52. Now come to your book page number 53. Review. ये फुल उसका रिव्यू है जो हमने टॉपिक 2 पढ़ा है नंबर्स. उसमें जो चीज़ें हमने ग्रेटर देन, लेस देन, ऑर्डिनल नंबर, टेंस, वंस जो भी स्टडीज़ की हैं उसके अकॉर्डिंग होगा. ठीक है, पहला इन्होंने ऑर्डिनल नंबर हमें दी है, कलर द फर्स्ट एंड द फिफ्थ फ्रॉग. फर्स्ट फ्रॉग ये है, फिफ्थ काउंट करें 1 2 3 4 5. So fifth is this. Color the first and fifth frog. Color the second, sixth and the seventh butterfly. Second, sixth and seventh butterfly. Color the third, eighth and the 10th weasels. Third, eighth and the 10th. Color the first, fourth, sixth and the 9th faces. First, fourth, sixth, 9th. Page number 53. Do it by yourself. Come to review book page number 54 and 55. Mention the date on it. What number does the abacus show? Write in the box. First count the ones. 1 2 3 4. Write 4 in one side. Count the 10 dots beads. 1 2 3 4 5. 5 beads. We have 5 10 and 4 ones. Make 54. Question number C and D. Do it by yourself. Write the number 1 has been done for you. 56 17. Write 1 7 17. Question number C D E F. Do it by yourself. Write the number name 1 has been done for you. Number name लिखना है 46 spelling 99 NINTY 90 NINE 99. Question number C D E F. Do it by yourself. Now come to book page number 55. Write these number in tens and ones. 54 5 tens 4 ones. 49 4 tens 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 and 9 ones. 32 3 tens and 2 ones. एंड मेंशन करते हैं या नहीं कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता. क्वेश्चन नंबर D E F G H I J. Do it by yourself. Question number 5. Write the number that is 3 tens and 3 ones. 37 8 tens and 2 ones make 82. Because 8 tens 80 and 2 plus करें तो 82. 2 tens and 7 ones is equal to 27. 7 tens and 8 ones is equal to 78. Question number E F G H. Do it by yourself and complete your all the book pages from page 1 to 55 on your book and learn and practice the pages. Thank you.